Alright, today in this video, I'm going to replace the battery in this 2020 Hyundai Ioniq key fob. All you should need to do this is a flathead screwdriver and your replacement battery, which should be a 2032. Some CR2032. First step, I'm just going to press this button, take out the key from within the fob. And then if you look in here, right here, put a flathead right there and just kind of twist, and the key fob should come apart, split in two, giving us access to the battery. Then we can just slide out the old battery here. And then if you can see here, that is a plus. So the plus side on the battery, which is the flat side, is indicated right there, goes up this way. So that button side goes down and the flat side stays up. And then see how this goes back in there. Put that back in like that. Then just squeeze this together. And there we go. Battery's replaced. Thanks for watching.